decorations, a little mistletoe, and my bacon-wrapped turkey for Christmas. Up next on Uncle Chris. Hey guys, this is Uncle Chris, and I'm back, and I'm here to show you how to season your turkey for the holidays. It's very simple, it'll be nice, it'll be seasoned just right, and I'm going to show you how you do that. And also how to prevent cross-contamination from touching the turkey, picking up a spice bottle and moving the turkey and touching another. No. Okay. First thing you do, get your empty spice container, like so. Put in some garlic, and you're just going to put in equal portions of each. See? I'll put some garlic in the bottom. Next, I'm going to take some poultry seasoning. Okay. About just as much as that in there. Like I said, just equal portions as it fills up the bottle. Okay? Now, this bottle is not a poultry seasoning. This bottle is not see-through. I have my own Uncle Chris seasoning, which I took the label off so I could see how much I was putting in each one. But this is basically garlic, onion powder, parsley, and black pepper. A basic season all, salt-free, to season your food. Now, I want to put in some poultry season. I want to put in some onion powder, okay? Basic, simple. I want to put in some black pepper. Okay. I want to put in a little bit of a secret ingredient. I used to give my turkey a nice taste. Some Italian seasoning. Yeah. Just know that's good on a turkey. Trust me. Trust me. A little bit. Now, we are going to put on, because it's the holidays, some ground sage. A lot of that. Because it's the holidays. And that's basically the taste of the holidays. Yes, it is. All right. I want some parsley. All right. Now, wow, almost knocked my head off. My hair's in the face. Some red pepper to give it a little bit of a kick. I like some spice. I told you that Louisiana blood in me just won't let me leave. Won't let me leave. All right. Once you have done that, you shake it up. Okay. I'm gonna take a look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You see that? I hope y'all can see that. So this is the spice you're gonna use for your turkey. Now you want to add a little more something. Smell it and see what you want to add. I might add a little more garlic, just because, and a little more sage. Once again, this is just to my taste. So you just use these ingredients, mix them together this one time. You won't have to worry about seasoning your turkey. Now I already got the turkey taking its bath in the sink right here. And I'm going to show you a trick to keep it juicy without it drying out, okay? Because nobody wants to eat no dry turkey. You know they're going to be in your face, but that was so good. Then as soon as they leave your house, that dry, nasty turkey. All right. I'm going to turn the turkey over. I'm going to take off all the parts that don't need to be there, like this stupid plastic thing. We're also going to take the guts out of here too. Oh yeah. Okay. Drain them off a little bit. Put it right on in there. Okay. Wash my hands. Take your seasoning you just made. Do the back part first. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get up under the flapping arms. Oh yeah. I know my roommate thinks I'm crazy. But you gotta season the bird all over and give him a nice little rub. Okay, it's getting a little weird. All right. Season the back of that turkey. Clean hand, turkey hand. Flip it on over. Okay. Get under the skin is a pain. I would not lie to you. I'm showing you the real deal. This is how it goes. This is what happens. Okay? Let's move you a little closer if I can. All right, now look. Don't be afraid to season. This is a big bird. Put that seasoning on there, okay? You're not doing too much. Remember, this is salt-free. You can add salt later. You can put a salt shaker on the table. That's what that's for. That's right. If you want more salt, let them add the salt. You can always add more, but you sure can't take it away. All right? Feeling good all over. You just want to get seasoning a little bit, okay? Now, seasoning has a nice balance to it. See how I'm rubbing the seasoning in there? Getting every part, okay? I want you to see this so you do this. Now, I'm doing this. This is the day before Christmas Eve. Why? So the turkey can sit and absorb the seasonings and have some flavor to it. And I'm going to show you a trick that I've been doing that makes my turkey come out fabulous every single time. When you cook it breast up or breast down, you do this trick, it will be juicy and flavorful. People gonna go, oh, I wish I had thought of that. All right. Clean hands. Whew. I tell you, doing the holidays is a lot of work, but you can simplify things for yourself if you take just these little shortcuts. By combining those seasonings, guess what? You have a seasoning you can use again and again, not just for the turkey. Suppose you want to do a chicken. Well, any occasion. All right. I guess I should dry my hands. We're going to take some bacon. I'm using low sodium bacon. And we're going to stuff the breast of this turkey to give it a really good flavor. Okay? Now I'm not gonna put this bacon back in the ice box. I'm gonna put it in my stuffing because I've already touched the turkey. Okay? I can still rinse off my hands. But you use the rest of this bacon in your stuffing. Okay? Grab some more. Put it right up in here. The oil from the bacon and the flavor will make this turkey incredible. Stuff it in there as much as you can. When you get through, the turkey look like it should have gone to Hollywood and had a few things done. Yeah, we won't mention those celebrities. Oh, what? Nope, we're going to take that out. All right. Getting this all up in here. Back on another piece. Across here. Going down into the legs. And I might just use some more. On the outside too. You're gonna see why. And you're gonna love it. Trust me. I just got a few strips left, but that's okay. This turkey will have the best smoky flavor and the best taste. Okay? Clean hands. Yes. Now, we'll take our seasoning, go over the whole thing again. On that neck piece down in there. Okay. All inside there. Now, your turkey is perfectly seasoned. Perfectly seasoned. Move it, Miss Shy, kitty cat. All right. Kitty cat, really? Really, kitty cat? Let's see if I can do this like this. All right, guys. Now, you got your turkey season. I got Miss Shy playing with my hat. This will last you for another bird or another meal you want to do. I will show you all how to make my Uncle Chris seasoning. It's just real simple. You do this yourself. And by doing this, you already have a mixed seasoning that you don't have to pay extra to buy. You can make it yourself, right? And it's already on hand. And it's salt-free. Where's my hat, kitty cat? Get it back. All right. Cook your turkey for at least 4 hours or until done. There's a little device right there that pops up and lets you know when the turkey is done. Okay? But you want it golden. Now, some people use a turkey bag and all that stuff. I'm old school. I'd cover it with some aluminum foil that does the same thing. I want to wish everybody a happy holiday. I'm going to be back with some holiday drinks. Okay? Let's see. Oh, I'm going to have a special guest from Master Chef. This woman is a perfectionist. She is wonderful, Miss Brenda Moore. Love her so much. She is a chef in her own right. She makes mirror cakes to die for. Lemon drop cupcakes. I mean, Yes. Anyway, I digress. I want to wish you all a happy holiday, and I hope this helped you out. Like I said, cook that turkey for about 4 hours. All you gotta do, put it in the oven early, but do this the night before. Like I said, so to get the flavor of the seasoning, put it in there early. All you gotta do is put stuff in the oven, set it out there. Buffet style. Let them serve themselves, right? Okay. Happy holidays, happy new year. If I don't see you before then, love you all. Like, subscribe, and please comment. All right.